Are your internet speeds as crap as mine are today? Well, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to speed up your internet connection by about 10 to 20% using a few simple steps and using 5 simple commands on command prompt. So let's go ahead and let's begin.
So yes, if you're cheap, lazy, getting fatter and can't really be bothered to make any real effort in life to improve your connection speeds, you'll use command prompt. And if you don't know how to, I'm going to show you, so you too can be cheap and lazy. Right, so I'm going to go ahead to the search bar, or Cortana as the posh people know it as, and type in CMD. Okay, and once command prompt comes up, we're going to go ahead, right click that and run as administrator. Don't ask me why that's a thing, it's just one of those unpleasant things in life that you have to get on with, like tax. Okay, so once command prompt's open, I'm just going to maximize the window for you like that, and so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, don't worry about the command lines we're going to put in. I'm going to put them in the description box below, so you too can copy and paste them into your command prompt and then realize that they don't work and you get miserable, sad, and start to throw things out of the window. Okay, so the only option for you is to watch this video. So now I'm going to go ahead and enter these command lines for you. The first command we're going to type into the line is netsh winsock reset and press enter. Okay, and once that's done, we're going to go ahead and type in our second command line. See how this works. Okay, this one is netsh int ip reset and press enter. Okay, wait for that to do its thing and go to this third one, which is ipconfig /release and press enter. Boy, is this fun. Okay, so we can go ahead and type in the fourth command, which is ipconfig /renew and press enter. When you're ready, come on. There we go. Okay, and the fifth and final command you need to put in is ipconfig /flushdns and type in enter. Okay, all those commands are done, and yeah, all you need to do now is sort of quick command prompt, restart your PC or laptop or whatever, and just wait for the effects to take place, and if it doesn't work, that's life.
Subscribe for more.